Hey guys, RC here with you. Well, we're going to try something a little bit different here today. I'm opening up the shop, turning on the lights. You guys can see a few of the rigs that I've got kind of kicking around. There's the Axial Can-Am, and there's my bench. So today we're going to do a little bit more work on that red Jeep truck, I think. And this is just my way of kind of introducing you to my little work area here. You can see I got a board on the wall. Go over to the rack where I keep all my rigs. See the dingo sitting there with a few other familiar looking bodies. And we're going to get the truck. Now guys, this is something that I had planned on doing, and that was some kind of wheel well kind of plan, but all them silver parts definitely have to be painted. So this is just my way of kind of going through the process with you, and like I say, introducing you to the shop. Should be a pretty good video. Of course, I fast forward through all the boring crap. So here it is. One thing I haven't mentioned was the hinge system that I've got set up on this thing. It works really well. It's a little bit clunky, I won't lie to you, but it works great. So we're going to paint that undercarriage and do something about those shock towers. Guys, I hope you enjoy it. If you do, hit the like button for me and let me know what you think about this way of doing things. Enjoy.